What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to the video. This is the third video of the Building Wealth at a Young Age series. The first video was talking about credit. The second video was talking about a job and getting some income, getting a W-2, two W-2s, so you can apply for that mortgage. All right. This video we're gonna be talking about how to set a plan, what kind of house to buy, how to buy it, and all that. Stay tuned. All right, you're 18. You got some big decisions to make. Do you want to go to college? Do you want to be an entrepreneur? Do you want to go get a 9-to-5 job? All right. Whatever you choose, that's on you. Okay. I hope you choose the entrepreneur route. But anyway, it's time to buy your first property. All right. So what you want to do is, in my opinion, you want to go look on Zillow, the MLS, and stuff like that. So what I would do, I would search for multifamily housing. All right, multifamily housing. Then you got to go to the bank or mortgage company, get your pre-approval. They'll pre-approve you for maybe what? Let's just say the average 180,000. All right. The bank will try to give you more debt than you need. So if I was you, I would stick to maybe the 100,000 or maybe 130 range. You don't want to go all the way to your max pre-approval limit. All right, you out looking for houses, looking for when you're looking at houses on the MLS or Zillow or Realtor.com or Redfin. If I was you, I was looking for multifamily. All right, multifamily is 2 or more units. All right, let's look at the whiteboard. All right, multifamily. 2 or more doors, okay? Family could live here, family could live here. All right, and what you want to do as a young entrepreneur trying to build some wealth, you're gonna live here, and you're gonna rent this out. Maybe what, $750 a month, 120K on a duplex. Your mortgage should be maybe about, let's just say, $800 a month. All right. Well, you have tenants paying you $750. That's going straight towards the mortgage. You'll be living for $50 a month. Bam. All right. That's not bad. A lot of people can't say they're living for $50 a month. All right. What would be even better would be to buy. Man, my drawing is horrible. Get yourself a 4-unit. Door here, door here, door here, door here. All right. Maybe this costs $150,000. You could live in 1 unit. You live here. All right. Rent out this. Let's just say 600. 600. 600. That's $1,800 a month. And on a mortgage, $150,000 mortgage, your payment might be, let's say about $950. Include mortgage, taxes, and insurance. That is not bad. You have a nice cash flow. You have a cash flow of $850 a month. All right. That's not bad. You're living for free, and you're making $850 a month you could put in your pocket. All right. You know what's even better about this deal? Is you bought it for $150,000, and it was listed on the MLS at $185. Okay, and what I do is I look at listings that have been on the MLS 3 months or longer. So it's just been sitting there. It's a stale listing now. So you offer $150, you buy that $150, you have $35,000 in equity. Instantly. Instant equity. Your net worth just rose 35,000. That easy. All right. You know what's even better about this deal? If it's outside the city limits, in my area, I don't know about whatever area you're in, you can buy this on a rural development loan, which only requires 3.5% down. All right, you buying this with a down payment of 3.5%. That'll be about $5,250, something like that. Might be right, might be wrong. It should be real close though. So, as you was working as a teenager, collecting all that money, saving all that money, cutting grass on the weekends, you go in your savings account, you take out $5,250. You can buy an asset that's worth $185,000 and get equity of $35,000. All right, and then make a cash flow every month of $850 every month. All right, building wealth in real estate. This is what it's all about. You made all this happen with $5,250. All right, that's how you build wealth in real estate, and that's easy. All right, after 2 years, all right, this rose up to, let's see, with appreciation, let's say it just rose up to 205,000. All right, this 4 units now worth $205,000. All right, in 2 years, you paid debt down, you paid the loan down, so now you don't owe $150,000. Now you owe, let's say, in 2 years, maybe you owe $147,000. Look at that spread right there. The spread between 205 and 147. That's building wealth. Now your net worth is, let's see, $58,000. Now you're worth $58,000 on your net worth and balance sheet. All right. In 2 years, you can either sell it and make all the profits and not pay any capital gains tax. That's what the tax code says right now. If you live in a property, residential property, this is a residential property because it's 5 units and under. All right. If you live in a property, 2 out of 5 years, you can sell it and make all the profit and not pay any capital gains tax. So you can sell this property and make $58,000, or you can keep it and pull equity out of the property. That's what I would do, because you remember you got that cash flow of $850, and then if you move out, that boosts up that $850, $600. Now you have a total of $3,250 in rent. From your first unit, you have $1,450 in cash flow, which is all profit. Second unit, you have $1,800 in gross rent, and your total is $3,250. But we're gonna see what's the total cash flow. I'm gonna draw it out for y'all. All right, you bought your new property. $600 a door. All right, that's $1,800. Then you have your mortgage. Well, I'm sorry. First, let's see. We bought this one at. This is in the same little area. You go across the street. Hey, you see it's for sale. Say you want to buy it. Say it's an old landlord have it. So the values in the neighborhood is at 205 in a year. So maybe you offer them 150 again. You get another unit for 150. Remember, we're entrepreneurs. We don't buy houses and assets at the value they're worth. You always want to buy it cheaper. Okay, you buy it at $150K. Let's put it right here. valued at 205 again. Instant. You have 55,000 in equity on this property. All right. Let's see. The mortgage is gonna be about $950. Well, it's 2 years later, so the interest rates probably rose. Let's just say it's 1,000. All right. Your cash flow gonna be. You're gonna make 600 apiece. That'll be 1,800. So the cash flow is $800. You are now making a month. You're making $2,250 a month. Cash flow. Off of your 8 units, well 7 units, you living for free. All right. And I said earlier, you can buy the second unit with a line of credit. There's many ways to, if you want another unit, there's many ways to do it. You can also just buy it as a regular residence with another FHA loan if you want to. Or you can do a conventional loan, which is 5% down, 5 to 20% down, or whatever you want to put. But the minimum is 3 to 5% down for a conventional loan. So you can use another FHA loan, or you can use a conventional loan. But if you want a little bit of money out of your pocket, you can do another FHA, or you can just do the conventional 5% or whatever. But yeah, we don't want to get it too complicated, but I just wanted to clarify that earlier. All right, so now you're 20, making $2,250 a month at 20 years old. So that's why it's important to have a plan once you hit the 16. That's why it's important to have a plan once you get once you're around the age of 16, so you can start saving that money. So you can start saving that money, so you can have money for your down payment once you're ready to start buying some real estate and building wealth. And as you see on the whiteboard, in 2 years, your net worth is 113K, 113,000. You are now worth 113,000 on paper. So that's pretty good at 20 years old. A lot of people couldn't say that. Well, I couldn't say it at 20. So, and that's how you. And just imagine if you keep doing this, you could be a millionaire by the time you're 25. Once you get the idea and the flow of it, it's easy. It's not as hard as you think it is. And that's how you build wealth in real estate at a young age. And then you rinse and repeat after that. You keep on going. And I say this for 16 to 20-year-olds. You can be any age and start it, okay? It's never too late to start doing this. It's better to start now than tomorrow. Because just say you're 50 years old, you know? Once you're dead, you're dead. So you can pass it on to your family, your kids, and then it can keep going, and that's how y'all can keep wealth in your family. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions about this, I'll probably make some more videos about stuff like this probably later on. But y'all, if you have any questions, y'all want to know more about this, let me know in the comments. We'll talk about it. Thank y'all for watching the video. I hope y'all take some of these tools and make it happen. And if you're adult watching this video, teach your kids about this. It could go a long way. And this is how you build generational wealth. You 20-year-olds and buy this stuff and keep it. Buy and hold real estate to keep it, and then they can pass it on to their kids. Well, thank y'all for watching this series. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. Wait, don't go just yet. I'll post step 1 and step 2 in the description down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what you want me to talk about next. Thank you, guys.